In this video, we are going to show you how to add an image gallery to your Emergent AI app. Now, if you want to create an app in Emergent AI and have an image gallery added to that specific app that you are developing with Emergent, it's quite simple. It all boils down to your prompt. Now, we have a prompt here for a very simple note-taking app that also has a feature for image galleries, right? You can upload stuff. So as you can see here, act as a senior full-stack developer. Your goal is to build and compile a fully functional standalone desktop note-taking application for my computer. Core requirements. So functionality. Most importantly here, image gallery, integrate a dedicated image gallery component within the app that allows for local image uploads and viewing. And then you can just like check this out later, but you know, we need some elements here: autonomy, output, and constraints. So execute the task entirely hands off. Do not ask me for preferences or configuration details. Use your best judgment to create a clean, modern, and stable application, because again, Emergent is more of like a vibe coding AI LLM that will help you create apps the way you want it to without having prior knowledge or even like, you know, being manually involved, right, in the development. So after this, click on send, and it's going to provide us within a few seconds or a minute the welcome or introduction, and then it's going to ask us specific questions so we can pinpoint it to the right direction, a more focused approach in creating this app. All right, as you can see here, agent has questions for you. So application type, etc., etc. So web-based note-taking, and etc. So we're just gonna choose the first options, right? Or you know, whatever you want, depending on what you need, right? Web URL. There we go. The preference and specific, no. Just say no. Right, click submit, and now it has its information that it needs. So it's going to have a more specific, more pinpointed, like what I said earlier. All right, as you can see here, it has now used the design agent. So if you click on design agent here, you're going to see here on the right hand side, it's going to slide down. This is going to be where you're going to see the visuals, anything you're going to see, not the code, right? Later on, when it starts testing, you're going to see some of the code or some of the interface on the back end of things. As you can see here, we have the app preview on the right hand side, and if you hover your mouse, you can just actually interact with everything. So as you can see here, we have a gallery here now that we are, you know, looking forward to. That's the main reason for this video. Note taking, this is pretty much the main thing. And if you create a note here, you just start typing. As you can see, you can just pretty much type it. You can delete it even. For the gallery, you can just click upload, right? It's gonna show you this, you know, to your computer. So it's actually working, which is one of the neatest things about Emergent is as it is developing your stuff, you can actually interact and use it to see how it feels. And as you can see here on the left-hand side says, perfect, the app is working beautifully. Now let me call the testing agent. So it's going to use the testing agent to check everything and see if there are any errors. If there are, it's going to fix it. And then it's going to do a once-over to make sure that everything is working perfectly and there are no errors anymore. So if you click on testing agent, you're going to see pretty much everything here. You know. Okay, we are now finally done. So as you can see here, perfect, the app is working flawlessly. So core features: create, edit, and delete text notes with autosave. Image gallery, which is the most important thing, with upload and delete capabilities, right? Data persistence via MongoDB and Swiss Brutalist design. So it's pretty much good to go. Access your app if you want to access your app. If you want to preview it here, there we go, right? And again, if you go to gallery, you can upload anything you want. There you go. You can access your folders, and then after this, you can now just deploy or run a code review. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.